Alright, hey guys, welcome in. Got another quick little vlog update for you on one of my favorite projects for the year for third grade. Third grade, I do this toilet paper roll chair, three-dimensional chair project, and I just want to show you, I got a bunch of them done last week, and I just wanted to show you a whole bunch of them that turned out really, really awesome. I could have picked probably 50 different ones, but I just tried to get a good variety of different ones. And what I like about most of these is not only that the build of the chair was really, really well, but a lot of the colors, and they made them unique to themselves. I always tend to get a lot more girl examples. I told and I challenged some of the boys to give me some more boy examples. This is one of those projects where you can definitely tell the difference between some of the boy projects and the girl projects just by the colors that they choose. I thought this one was really cool. It had like a camouflage, almost like a baseball kind of feel with the dirt and the grass. Just the cool colors that he had for this one, really, really lively. I like his little figures and little creatures kind of on the bottom. Some of the way that they blended colors was really cool to kind of invent colors on these, and then some of the patterns and designs, whether it's really, really abstract like this one and just kind of all over, or really precise and a good detailed plan on each leg, you know, doing something different and then kind of tying in that white paint with it. Some really, really cool stuff with rainbows. I always get a lot of rainbow ones, and then I usually get some different kind of abstract kind of ones. So I wanted to show you some of those because they turned out really cool, and like I said, it's one of my favorite projects throughout the year. So hopefully you guys like this video. Hit the little thumbs up on the bottom there. If you have not been a subscriber of mine, please get on that right away. Hit the red button down below. That's to get all my latest videos that I'm coming out with a bunch of times, a lot more now with this vlog style. I like the way this works for that. So thank you to you guys that did these examples for me. You get a little shout out in my video, so thumbs up to you guys to make tons and tons of videos for all ages and abilities on this channel, which is Mr. Schuette's Art Channel. So I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's Art Channel, and we will talk to you guys later.